Hello everyone! Today's video will have you on the edge of your seat as we witness unpredictable and shocking accidents, from terrifying collisions to moments of chaos. Join us in seeing how fragile life can be on the road. Bro drives like he's in GTA but forgot there's no respawn in real life. This guy thinks turn signals are an optional DLC. His car insurance must have a frequent flyer discount. He drives like he's auditioning for Fast and Furious, but in a school zone. This dude treats red lights like a mild suggestion. He's got two speeds, fast and hold my beer. Bro drives like he's escaping from a 5-star wanted level. His GPS probably just says, good luck. That car is running on pure adrenaline and bad decisions. He's not driving, he's just aggressively aiming his car. This guy treats speed bumps like lodge ramps. Haha! His brake pedal must be on vacation. He drives like he's late for a flight that already took off. Haha! Pretty sure his driving test was just a game of Mario Kart. Bro thinks he's in a Need for Speed cutscene. Haha! His car moves like it has commitment issues. Every lane is his lane, even the sidewalks. Haha! If Chaos had a driver's license, it would be this guy. He's out here speedrunning real life. Haha! His steering wheel must be playing Truth or Dare, and always picking Dare. His car has two modes, send it and oops. Haha! He drives like he's being controlled by a lagging Wi-Fi connection. Bro's turn signals are just decorative lights. Oh my god. His gas pedal must be a light switch. It's either on or off. He's not driving. He's conducting a science experiment in physics. Ha-ha! His car insurance agent probably has him on speed dial. The way he drives, even Google Maps is scared to reroute. Oh my god. This guy thinks drifting is the only way to turn. He drives like every road is the final lap of a race. His car is just a shopping cart with an engine. Every time he changes lanes, an angel quits their job. This man drives like he's got a bounty on his head in GTA Online. Bro treats stop signs like speed boost pads. His driving is sponsored by Chaos Inc. Even roller coasters have fewer sudden turns than this guy. He's not a bad driver. He's just auditioning for a stunt double role. The speed limit is just a suggestion. And he strongly disagrees. His car must have been trained by a Formula One pit crew. When he gets in the car, the tires start praying. Oh my God, this guy drives like his car is actively trying to escape from him. This guy drives like he's playing bumper cars, but forgot it's real life. Bro's car handles like a shopping cart with a wobbly wheel. He drives like he's in a heist movie, but forgot the plot. Every time he drives, his tires file a complaint. This guy changes lanes like he's dodging snipers. His gas pedal and brake pedal must be in a constant battle. His car insurance company probably sends him Christmas cards out of pity. He drives like every red light is a personal attack. This dude could get a speeding ticket in a drive-thru. His turn signals are purely decorative, like an ancient artifact. Even roller coasters have smoother turns than this guy. He must think he has unlimited lives in real life too. His car must have an invisible turbo button that's always on. The car isn't driving him, it's surviving him. Bro out here playing real-life Tokyo Drift on suburban streets. His tires are holding on for dear life. His driving instructor probably retired early. He must think he's in a car chase, but no one's chasing him. His brakes are just a myth at this point. If chaos had a steering wheel, it would be this guy. Every lane is his lane, including the sidewalk. He drives like he's running from an unpaid bill. Bro's car moves like it just saw a ghost. The car is fighting for its life every time he turns the key. This guy must think the road is a Hot Wheels track. His driving is giving every pedestrian a free workout. If braking was a sport, he'd come in last place. This guy drives like he's starring in an action movie, but forgot the stunt crew.